What's up guys, welcome back to Become Calisthenics. Today I'm going to be showing you a push workout that you guys can do at home. So I know a lot of you guys may not have access to weights, but this is a workout that you can do with just your body weight. You don't need no weights, no equipment, maybe a chair depending on the workout I'm going to be doing. But if you're ready to enjoy this push workout, please leave a like, subscribe, and share. Let's get into it. So the first workout we're going to be doing is going to target your chest. It's called Pike Pushups. It's more like handstand push-ups, but the beginner version of handstand push-ups. So it targets your chest. It's a really great push workout. And we're going to be doing 6 to 8 reps. So what you want to do is make sure you have your hands shoulder width apart. Almost in a V-shaped position, and then push down. This is a really great way to strengthen your shoulders, and it's a really great push workout, especially if you don't have any weights around. It's more like the equivalent of doing shoulder press, but instead of you're just using your body weight. So the next push workout we're going to be doing is pseudo planche push-ups. Now this workout targets your shoulders and your biceps. So it's a 2-in-1 push workout that's really effective in targeting two muscle groups at the same time. So what you want to do is have your hands away from your body. You want to lean forward as much as you can, and then press down, press back up. Now with this workout, the farther you lean, the harder it is, so depending on your progression, try to gradually lean forward each time you do this workout. Like I said, it's a great shoulder workout and bicep workout, so it targets 2-in-1. It's also a great push workout because it helps you strengthen your shoulders and your biceps. So the next workout we're going to be doing is going to be diamond push-ups. Now these, if you do these a lot, you know that they target your triceps, your chest, and your biceps. So it's a great push workout to target a lot of muscles at the same time. So you want to go for about 8 to 10, well depending on your level, 6 to 10 is a good range. So you want to make sure you're in a diamond position, press down, then press back up. Like I said, this is a great workout to target a lot of different muscles at the same time. Alright, so the fourth workout we're going to be doing is push-ups. Push-ups is a really great overall workout to do for your body. It's usually a lot of the body weight workouts that a lot of people do. So it's a great push workout for you to strengthen your chest, your whole body, your arms, your shoulders. It's a great overall workout. So we're going to be going for 8 to 10. So on all of these sets, you want to go from 6 to 10 or 8 to 10 depending on your range. So shoulder width apart, and just press back up and press that back down. Make sure you're doing this controlled. You don't want to just push out reps. You want to make sure you're controlling it so that you feel it more in your muscles when you engage them, when you're pushing back up and pushing back down. So the last workout we're going to be doing is tricep extensions, bodyweight tricep extensions. So these are exactly like how you would do tricep extensions if you were using a rope or a barbell, but this time you're just using your body weight. And I'll show you how it's done. So not a lot of people know how this workout works. So you basically want to go like in a twist position or in a plank position, but on your forearms, lay down, and then press up with your forearms and your triceps. It really engages those triceps and the forearm at the same time. As you can see, this is how I'm doing it.
My forearms are engaged and my triceps are engaged.
So those are some push workouts that you can do at home. Like I said, you don't need no weights. All you need is your body weight, no equipment needed. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like these. Thank you.